good morning, and good afternoon, kapumpers, kaboomers worldwide. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we're talking about strong altcoins, Bitcoin breakout price predictions, Cardano, Crypto.com chain, and more. As the rest of the kapumpers, the boomers, tune in to this live broadcast, make sure you're touching the buttons out there, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Button up all the buttons, caress them right now, guys. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread here daily. Shout out to XPO391, just entered the population of the chat box. Kaboom indeed. Let me drop a bomb for you. Guys, this is a live broadcast, a live one. We take a couple days off this week. But we've still been serving up the crypto videos. Make sure you're tuned in to everything that's going on. Champagne the voice here. Trap Talk TV just stepped into the box. Let's go. Big money talk indeed. Let me drop a bomb for Trap Talk. Welcome back. It's a community of crypto brothers, crypto 300 Spartan savages here in the population of the chat box. We may have a small quantity of maniacs, but the quality is high. And we're thirsting for crypto blood out there. No YouTubers do it like we do it out here, guys. Strong quality population of the chat box here. We're standing up to any streamer out there worldwide. 5 crypto maniacs in the box. We're preheating the oven to 450 and beyond. Today we're talking about strong altcoins. I came across an article from a trader there on TradingView that's labeling some strong altcoins. I wanted to share it with you, get your opinion, and also give my feedback as well. We'll be talking about a Bitcoin price prediction. There's some bullish price predictions out there. And we'll talk about Crypto.com chain. CRO token is kapumping out there. It moved quickly. I want to talk about that Crypto.com chain. And then we'll talk about some Cardano market updates and more. Shout out to Double X. Shout out to the crypto brothers, Derek McLean, hi champ, Double X, Derek, Trap Talk, XPO, and the silent lurkers there in the box. Make sure you're touching the buttons once again for me, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. All the buttons need to be caressed immediately. Immediately. Stay tuned into the good crypto word that we spread here daily. Again, we'll be talking about strong altcoins, 10 strong altcoins that are listed by a trader there on TradingView. We'll talk about a Bitcoin price Bitcoin breakout price predictions, Crypto.com chain, Cardano market update, and the rest of the good crypto news that's spreading on the networks worldwide. Today we're going to be doing 2 live streams. This is our first one. We'll be talking about the crypto, and then we'll fire up one right after this. We'll be talking about general self-improvement. And I want to share with you a repository that I came across that has some real good strength training programs. We'll talk about that, ways to become a better boomer out there, not only with the crypto coins, but also with the physical and spiritual as well, guys. We get into all the topics out here. We're building men out of mice here, pit bulls out of poodles, okay? Feasters out of the famined out there. Indeed. Kapumpers out of the cucks. Indeed. Shout out to Double X, Derek, Trap Talk TV, XPO, and the rest of the boomers. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. We can check out CoinMarketCap, see how healthy the markets are, and then we'll get into the strong altcoin list, Bitcoin breakout price prediction. Let me add price there to the title of this video because I keep saying it. Bitcoin breakout price predictions and more. We'll talk about Cardano. We'll talk about Crypto.com chains because that one's pumping as well. Let me go ahead and share my screen, turn off this kaboom thing, and boom, there you go. That's my screen. Hit refresh and stay tuned into the good mathematics out there. 137 billion worldwide. Bitcoin dominance has decreased slightly. It's at 50.7, which means that some those Bitcoin holders might have moved into the altcoins. We'll be talking about strong alternative coins today. Some strong ones. Bitcoin at 39.65. It is battling with this $4,000 hurdle. What is it going to take for Bitcoin to hop over this 4K hurdle? Let me know. We got Ether. It's up 3% at 137, looking all right. Ripple, there's no need to talk about the garbage bags. Litecoin at $52, up 4%. Litecoin is performing like a slugger. Litecoin is just acquired a portion of a German bank, and they are teaming up with Token Pay. I was watching a live stream with Charlie Lee just the other day, and things are looking on the up and up for Litecoin indeed. Let there be light. Let me drop shout out to my boomers out there. EOS at 372. It's up 3.15%. Shout out to my EOS Ethereum on steroids maniacs out there. Shared a video yesterday about the Chintai leasing platform, leasing a couple EOS tokens out there, getting some passive income, what it looks like. And so far, so good. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated on that. I have a video there about Chintai. It's an EOS token leasing platform. I also shared a video yesterday about the Scatter desktop application that manages private keys to log into those decentralized apps that are running on EOS, as well as Ether and Tron. And you could perform atomic swaps with no fees, it appears, right there on the Scatter plugin. So if you have airdrops on EOS that you receive, some of you boomers may have. I got a bunch of them. I have like 30 airdrops there that I didn't even notice. You can go ahead and start swapping it out, atomic swapping it right there within the app, and get more EOS, Tron, ETH, whatever you like. I liked it. I did an example. It's sexy. It's sexy. And it appears like that occurred with no fee. So check that video out. Atomic swaps with Scatter and exchanging airdrops. It's the last video I just released. Bitcoin Cash at 144. Binance, BNB. We got the Binance General here, Derek. And it's looking sexy out there, Derek. Binance at 1526, up 1.96%. We're going to talk about Binance as well. Stellar up at 10 cents. Stellar got a new logo. Stellar got a new logo out there. I don't know if I like it better than the little rocket ship, but it looks sort of like a black and white version of Ontology's logo, if you ask me. Stellar with a new logo. Tether, you guys know about Tether. It's fake crypto. Tron at 2 cents. Cardano, finally at 5 cents, up 5% today. Cardano 1.5 was released this month. It's a test net, the final upgrade before they release the proof of stake, the Shelly. Apparently, they're about to roll out something strong, and you guys may want to stay tuned into Cardano. We're also going to be talking about some other updates with Cardano's. They have a partnership with a blockchain alliance or some. We'll get to that. I got the article linked down below. Satoshi Vision is garbage bags, and it's slipping in the rankings. Monero at $52. One of the only fungible cryptos there in the top 15. IOTA at 30 cents, and then you got Dash at $91. Queen says, I don't like the new Stellar logo. It's not as exciting as the rocket ship. I don't know. It seems like the rocket ship was about a bit of a generic logo. I've seen that rocket ship floating around. I don't know if that was really theirs. Maybe they adopted it. But this logo is not too exciting. It's black and white. They should have some color, if you ask me. Impatient Potatoes here. Yo, kaboom. Good morning to you, and good morning to Queens Races. Our crypto maniac Savage out of Queens, New York City. Let me drop a bomb for you. Boom. Mark D says Litecoin looking to smash through 60 bucks. Indeed, Mark, Litecoin looking sexy. I've been saying it over and over for the past month at least. Litecoin is looking like one of the strong hitters on the top 10 crypto coins out there, along with Binance. Let's see if Cardano could slip up into the top 10. EOS is also looking sexy. Again, I shared a couple EOS videos. I've been doing the EOS bet too. I did a couple rolls of the dice out there, dice rolling, and it's okay. It's cool. You earned a couple bet tokens and maybe even get some EOS. Shared with you guys also the magic dice there on Steam, doing a couple rolls, getting those dice tokens. It's for fun, and I enjoy that as well. You may want to check out the prior videos and the link I have down below. Let's talk about these strong altcoins. This is over there on tradingview.com, posted by Alan Masters. He's a trader there that's posting on tradingview.com his opinion of top 10 strong altcoins for long-term bullish potential. And you can see all the coins here, some of the coins that he has listed in the charts as well. This article is posted and linked down below. So if you'd like to read it in its entirety, let's give it a quick glance over here. Okay. Top 10 strong altcoins for long-term bullish potential. He believes Binance to be one of the strongest altcoins which you can buy and hold for the long-term growth, stability, and profits potential. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange by volume, and it lists some of the best altcoins in the market for the boomers to trade. Binance implemented credit card purchases to buy crypto, and its own altcoin, Binance, can be used to pay trading fees. Here's a quick conclusion from this poster, Alan Masters. The more crypto space grows, the bigger and better that Binance coin becomes. And since the market is really young, this altcoin has the potential to keep on growing more and more. Okay, so he says Binance is a strong one. I agree. You know, Binance is on a thin thread, though. You know, all it could take is one regulator to knock it out the box, one little hack, one little Mt. Gox, and the cookie could crumble. That's why they're moving over to a decentralized exchange, although they're maintaining and managing most of the nodes, so I don't know how decentral that is. I will continue to focus on Binance and have a portion of the bag on it, and, you know, tread lightly, because again, you know, it's hanging on a thin thread of centrality out there, and one Mt. Gox hack can spell doom for it. But if that doesn't happen, it looks like it's on track to grow, and it is one of the top exchanges as far as volume, so it's making revenue. So shout out to my Binance maniacs, Derek the Boxer, Binance General. Shout out to you. Let's talk about Ethereum is one of those other strong altcoins. I don't know if I agree or not. I'm on the fence with Ether. One day I love it. The other day I'm like, it's done with. It seems like they keep struggling with these upgrades. Constantinople, St. Petersburg, Casper the Friendly Ghost, the Plasma. Let me know out there. ETH is a decentralized platform that runs smart contract apps. Runs exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, or fraud, third-party interference. Ether is the second biggest crypto by market cap, second only to Bitcoin. Ether has its own reality in the crypto space, and most exchanges offer trading against ETH. That's true. This is a very strong project, says the article, with huge long-term bullish potential. When you look at the long-term chart, ETH is basically at its bottom. Is it at its death, or is it at its bottom and it's going to rebound? Here's the ETH graph. And, you know, I'm still on the ETH train out there, guys. Struggling to hold on this ETH train. I like it. Let's see if it could do something out there. Another altcoin that's strong. This one I agree with. Litecoin. Litecoin is the first Bitcoin copycat and has established a reputation as being a very stable altcoin project. This is also looking like it's met its bottom there at the $20 range, and it looks like Litecoin is going to spike up. I'll tell you right now, Litecoin's a blue chipper, obviously, but right now Litecoin is looking even more sexy than Bitcoin to me, is my personal opinion. You know, I'm a Bitcoin maximalist. I've always been talking about getting half of the bag in Bitcoin, but I would think that holding a little bit of the lights there in the bag might be a good idea. Litecoin. Let me drop a bomb for the lights. Champ, I picked up some Decentraland and Grin coin. They have it on Poloniex. Okay. You know, I like both of those tokens. I like Beam a little bit more than Grin because Grin is inflationary, but I like Mimblewimble, so shout out to you. Lisk was doing some good moves, but now is calming down. Lisk and Litecoin and partner with a bank called WEG. If I'm correct, you should look that up on the article when you can. Yeah, I just mentioned that before you stepped into the box. Litecoin acquired a German bank out there, and they have been partnering with Token Pay. So that's what's going on. Litecoin's looking sexy. Johnson is out here as well. Hello to you. Shout out to the boomers, guys. Touch all the buttons out there. We're talking about strong altcoins via this article on TradingView by Alan Masters that I have linked down below. He's also listing Cardano, one of the best and most trusted projects out there, has already been used in different types of commercial establishment in Asia and Korea. Last bull run back in 2017 pushed Cardano to generate over 3,000% in profits. With these altcoins projects being the companies of the future, the potential here is hundreds of times what we are seeing now, says the article. So there you go. Shout out to Revolution. It's our Cardano General top 8% holder out there. This is looking like the potential here is hundreds of times of what we're seeing now, says that article. So there you go. Cardano's a great altcoin, which is strong and can be held long term. We're going to be also talking about some Cardano updates. We might as well talk about it right now. Hop over to this article that I have linked down below as well. Cardano market update. Cardano against USD gains 5%, driven by solid fundamental. Cardano moved to the 11th place in crypto, says this article on FX Street by Tanya Ambrosimova. Cardano Foundation has become a founding member of the industry organization. So let me repeat that. Cardano has been doing well recently. The coin surpassed Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision, and became the 11th largest coin with the market cap about 1.2 million. The digital asset gained over 5% in recent 25 hours and nearly 15% in the past 7 days. The impressive results make it one of the best performing cryptos out of the top 20, along with Stellar and Neem, says the article. The announcement that Cardano Foundation has become a founding member of International Association for Trusted Blockchain Application. So Cardano Foundation has become a founding member of the International Association for Trusted Blockchain Application, might have catalyzed the price increase, says this article. I've never heard of the INATBA, the International Association for Trusted Blockchain Apps, but apparently maybe that has impacted the price. This article doesn't mention Cardano 1.5, the testnet that was released out there, so that could have impacted the price. Also, Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder, posted a Cardano engraved Ledger wallet stating that he had received the first device that supports Cardano coins. Okay, Ledger announced Cardano integration at the beginning of February. So there you go. The integration with the Ledger Nano wallet looks like it may be pushing the price as well. Kaboom! Queens races with the kaboom and the lightning bolts out there. Shout out to Queens with the daily gratuity. I appreciate you so much, Queens. Let me drop another bomb. Drop a sniper for you. And drop some dollar bills off the ceiling out there. Guys, get on the crypto train. All aboard. All aboard. Tell the friends, the family, the animals on the farm. There's still some seats on the train. The gratuity here in the super chat is open. If you'd like to drop some ducats here in the bucket, jump on the crypto train with us. We're headed to Boomtown. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. More bits, more bits, more bits, and more bits. Well, thank you, Queens, for the love out there. Guys, follow the leader, Queens. Drop some ducats here in the bucket. Do not show up to the crypto party empty-handed out there. Throw 3 on it. Throw 5 on it. But definitely throw some love here in the box. Jojo says, I'm surprised Cardano isn't on Coinbase yet. There's rumors. There's rumors, Jojo. There's rumors that it may be the next one listed. So keep your eyes on that. Let's jump back to this article and continue to list strong altcoins as described by this article written by Alan Masters. He's listing CYPHERPUNK as the next strong one. Big market cap coins and famous altcoin. Here we'll be looking at 2 smaller but older ones. CYPHERPUNK is a project that has a real working product, file and cloud storage, and has been around for long, which is true. It is said that Satoshi Nakamoto, one of Bitcoin's creators, lent his support to this project. I don't know how true that is. An old gem, CYPHERPUNK is massively stable and has lots of potential for future growth. Right now, it's sitting at very low prices. This is an altcoin that can grow 5 to 10x easily within the year and up to 50x by the next cryptocurrency market bull run, says Alan Masters here on TradingView. CYPHERPUNK. I've talked about this one before. Digibyte, another strong altcoin as described by this article. Digibyte is another old gem that he's sharing here simply because it's of its long-term potential and stability as an altcoin project. Digibyte held its value better most of the altcoins available throughout the held its value better than most of the altcoins available throughout the bear market. Here's a chart. So it looks like most of these coins are at the bottom. He also listed BitTorrent. BitTorrent needs no introduction. BitTorrent is a file sharing system that has now its own altcoin, which can be used to monetize content and traffic while sharing online. This project is linked to Tron and has huge, massive growth. There's its chart. BitTorrent, BTT. BAT tokens, another one listed there. You know, BAT is one of our tokens on our watch list, and we've handled BAT before. Basic attention tokens running alongside the Brave browser. It's one of his favorite for a good reason. BAT has its own browser, which can be used to monetize traffic on any website. The method of payment, BAT tokens. This project comes from the creators of Mozilla and is a must-have for any cryptocurrency lover, says the article. And they also listed this coin, which I've never heard of, Ripio Credit Network, RCN. The Ripio Credit Network new DApp. Basically, Ripio Credit Network has a DApp now where you can loan them money and give them, and they give you a % back in 30 days with Ripio backing all the loans. This give out a varied return. I don't know about this loan stuff. Okay, I don't need to be loaning. We've seen Funny Bunny in the past with the loaning and whatnot. I want nothing to do with it. Ripio Network is listed there. I don't care. And then finally, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not a strong altcoin, but they listed it anyway. So let's go ahead and recap those altcoins that were listed here on this article. Strong altcoins for long-term bullish potential, posted down below in the article on TradingView by Alan Masters. Talks about Binance, Ether, Litecoin, Cardano, Siacoin, Digibyte, BitTorrent, Basic Attention Token, Ripio Credit Network, and of course, Bitcoin. Let me turn off those coins so you guys could see this. And this is linked down below. Let's talk about Crypto.com chain. This is a token that keeps moving up the rankings. This kind of came out of left field. Crypto.com chain, you can see it's pumping. Let's look at it here on CoinMarketCap.com. It was one of the top gainers today. It's up 75% in the past 24 hours, now trading at 10 cents. Crypto.com chain. I came across this article there on CoinGape.com. Crypto.com chain CRO token rise by 50% at the time of writing that article, gets listed on a top exchange. Okay, Crypto.com chain rose by a substantial amount following its listing on the top 20 exchange of the world, Upbit. Crypto.com is a Hong Kong-based blockchain firm that offers a variety of financial aids built on top on the cryptocurrency. Visa-enabled crypto credit debit cards and a secure wallet and mobile app. Okay, so they got crypto debit and credit cards and a wallet and a mobile app that's associated with this Crypto.com chain. Crypto.com chain CRO is enabling interoperability between cryptos and fiat payments. Users can make crypto payments to any merchants in the world. The cryptocurrency will be converted to the fiat currency for a minimum cost. CRO chain acts as a bridge currency, which finds a wide-scale app with real-world adoption. Okay, and I want to know if there's any association here with the Monaco coin, because definitely this logo looks similar to that Monaco. And I'm also noticing that there's two coins here with this Crypto.com chain, the CRO. I think there is a stable coin as well. Let me see, go back over here. Yeah, so you got the Crypto.com CRO token, which is currently trading at 10 cents, up 78% in the past 24 hours. Recently listed on Upbit. Look at this pump, almost 90 degrees on the charts. Okay, and then you also have another coin that looks to be associated with it. It could be a stable coin. I don't know much about this. I'm still learning about this. Crypto.com MCO. So this one looks like the Monaco coin, and it's up as well. 12%. Is this a stable coin? Or is this the one that's associated with the Visa payment network? We're going to have to keep our eyes on this. This Crypto.com. This is a way for merchants to accept crypto and convert it to fiat. They also provide, apparently, Visa crypto cards. So that's what's going on. Keep your eyes on this one. Boomers, as the rest of the pumpers tune in. The Rev is in the building. Shout out to Revolutionists. I was just talking about Cardano. Looking good, Rev. Looking good. Looking good. Check out the Cardano market update that I just have linked down below. Double X is saying Digibyte. Yeah, we talked about that one here. Strong altcoins according to Alan Masters over there. So that's what's going on, guys. Crypto.com chain. I'm going to keep my eyes on that. I'm going to throw that on our watch list. That's interesting me. Cardano market update. Now, Cardano is a founding member of the International Associated for Trusted Blockchain Apps that might have catalyzed the price increase, in addition to their announcement and release of Cardano 1.5, the last release before they upgrade to Shelly and the proof of stake. Let's see if they really deliver, but so far so good. It's at 5 cents. It's looking good. Okay, and we talked about, oh, we missed an article. Bitcoin price breakout schedule for August, says Fundstrat Tom Lee. So here's some price predictions over here on Cointelegraph. This is written by William Serberg. Bitcoin price breakout scheduled for August, says Fundstrat's Tom Lee. This is a suit and tie that's been bullish for some time. Tom Lee out of Fundstrat. He's a global advisor, co-founder. Thomas Lee broke with tradition about Bitcoin price forecast on March 14th, telling CNBC he thinks a bull market could return within 6 months. In an interview with the publication, Lee, who is well known as a Bitcoin bull, said he would stop giving out time frames for a price rebound, but now claimed August could see a market U-turn. Okay, if Bitcoin holds above 4,000, it'll cross its 200-day moving average by August. So I think the outside window is 5 to 6 months before Bitcoin starts to look technically like it's back in a bull market. Okay, so that's what's going on. No direct price predictions, but a prediction as to when it's going to run back up. And he's talking about August. And that's around the time that Litecoin's halving is going to occur. Queen says Tom Lee's been wrong twice. Maybe more than that. But he's been bullish about the bits for a while. So he's definitely a Bitcoin bull. But it seems like no one really knows. I've heard that Bitcoin's going down to 2,000. I've heard that Bitcoin's about to go to 150K. I've heard it all, guys. So somebody's got to be right. And most people are probably wrong. So that's what's going on. Strong altcoins, Bitcoin breakout prediction. So that's not price predictions. Let me take out that word price from the headlines there. So it's just a Bitcoin breakout prediction. And we talked about Cardano and Crypto.com chain, CRO token, which is pumping out there. I'll take a few more comments and questions. Thanks once again to Queen's Races for showing love here in the population of the chat box, dropping a couple or triple dollars here, showing love. I appreciate you. Let me throw another bomb. Hey, guys, the super chat's open. If you'd like to show some love to the Nakamoto family, go ahead and do it. Drop the ducats in the bucket. I'm going to take a few more comments and questions before I land this live stream plane down on the tarmac. And then I'll fire up and get ready to take off on another live stream that will fire up within 5 minutes of ending this one. And we'll be talking about general self-improvement, strength, training programs, and more. It's our open chat that we do every Friday. I'm planning on moving it to another day, but for now, it's on Friday. We do 2 live streams, so that's what's really pumping out there. Queens says, you're welcome. Ducats in the buckets. Thanks again, Queens. I appreciate you. Queen says Tom needs to stop making himself look bad. I don't know how many times he's been wrong, but I'm sure most people have been wrong with their price predictions. I just like the fact that he's bullish with the bits. The creator of AION was talking to Charles at a meeting, and the creator of AION suggested that AION and Cardano could support each other, says Rev. I like AION. I've done a video about it, and shout out to them. It sounds like it perhaps could be a good idea. Kaboom! Rafterman showing some love, dropping a little gratuity here in the bucket. Thank you so much, Rafterman. He's got $1 on it, guys. Follow the leaders, Rafterman, Queen's Races, and show some love here in the super chat. And it's open, guys. This goes to Baby Champ's Formula Fund, which we've actually moved to the Whole Milk Fund because now the boomers drinking whole milk, organic, pasture raised. We're only giving them the finest out there. Shout out to the boomers. Rafterman, Rev, Queens, Double X, Jojo Wave, Johnson. We got veteran, high-ranking officials here in the trenches of the blockchain battlefield. I appreciate all you crypto savages out there. We're going to go ahead and talk about some strength training programs, a repository that I came across with spreadsheets and all kinds of good resources that you guys might be into on our next live stream that we're doing shortly after this one. Rev says, how's your portfolio looking? Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. It's not a bad time to take a peek out here, Rev. Let's take a peek at the portfolio and see what's really pumping out there. I'll bring it up for you guys. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's booming. Let me share my screen out here. Total crypto worth is 12.2. There you go. Let me try to take off these dollar bills. 12,259. We started with 10K. This is our virtual community portfolio. This is just for fun. We're managing a little portfolio here with the community. And we started with 10K. We're up. And it's looking sexy. Everything's looking green, 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 green. Let's look at the tokens that we're holding. Bitcoin, Binance, Cardano, Augur, Monero, Chainlink, Ontology, Litecoin, 0x, and Decentraland Mana token. They're all up today. And one that's really pumping seems to be, of course, Cardano. And Augur's up as well. And the pumper of the week seems like Cardano. Up 16% in the past 7 days. So shout out to that. All our tokens are in the green today, guys. Looking good, looking real sexy. Yeah, man, kaboom. Yeah, indeed, Rev. Boom. Let me drop a bomb. been following this, we started off with 10K. We bought in when Bitcoin was about 4,100. So it looks like most of our value increase of this portfolio has come from holding altcoins. And we did a couple trades or whatnot. And I like all these tokens. I'll tell you this, with Chainlink, I think that I'm done holding Chainlink here with this portfolio. At some point, I'm going to swap it out for another coin, maybe get some more BAT tokens, or consider some of those coins that we added to our watch list. We have a crypto coins watch list video that we recently published. We have a few tokens on our watch list that we may want to get into. Crypto.com should be added to that list, CRO. It looks sexy. Shout out to D-Rock. Good morning, boomers and boomettes. I like that. I like that. Boomettes. The little boomettes out there. Boom. Shout out to D-Rock out there. D-Rock, stick around. We're going to be talking about some more strength training programs, a repository of strength training spreadsheets that I came across with a bunch of free resources you may want to check out on our next live stream that we're going to fire up momentarily. For the next month or so, I would dump it all into Cardano, says Rev. Rev is not playing games. He's a top holder of Cardano, and he doesn't even want to hold Bitcoin. It's all Cardano, 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 Cardano. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, where's my bomb at? Portfolio's looking healthy. Indeed, it's looking healthy. You guys been riding with me, and this is a portfolio we put together as a community, as crypto brothers, and we're treating it like if it was the real deal out there, like if it was the real deal. Although this is for fun and educational purposes, we're definitely handling the bag as if it were 1,000% real. Strong base biceps and thumbs up from D-Rock. Indeed. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and land the plane here on the tarmac before I take off on the next flight. Crypto diet and exercise live chat that we're about to fire up. I'm going to go ahead and share a vault of strength training programs, a repository with some good spreadsheets. We'll talk about some strength training goals, general open discussions. If you have any other questions that are ancillary to crypto, ways to become a stronger boomer, a better man, and we're going to go ahead and convert all the little mice out there into men, all the little poodles into pit bulls out there. Shout out to the savages. Indeed, guys. I'm going to go ahead and tune this broadcast down. Thank you to Rafterman. Thank you to Queen's Races. And thank you to everybody dropping positive comments there in the population of the chat box. Give me about 5 minutes for this intermission and come back here, and we'll go ahead and fire up our next live broadcast. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.